My dog's luxury staycation at A Grand Barrett. A grand welcome for the grand puppy. Time for a quick cart ride to the room. Private pool playtime. Zoomies. Someone can't get enough of the pool face with tears of joy emoji.